Give your respect, take a reason for me. I'm not a bitch from the gram. Ooh, isn't he saucy?
What is up? It is model, entrepreneur, rapper Ivory Jay, and I'm back with my first video of 2023. As you can see, I'm starting this video off a little bit different. I never really showed you guys my natural hair. I felt like I only did natural hair videos in the beginning of this channel, which I started like 5 years ago, but I guess this is an update. So today it's gonna be a hair tutorial because I don't know, I don't really wear my natural hair like that because one, I have 4C hair, which I'm not ashamed of. It's beautiful, it's thick, but I get frustrated with it a lot because it's thick. When I sweat in my scalp, my hair gets poofy. Not saying that that's a problem, but I prefer the more sleeker look. Just my personal preference. Yeah, I don't really deal a lot with my hair. I'm either wearing it box braids, jumbo box braids, or wigs. That's really it. So let's get this video started. As you can see, I just came out the shower. That sounds mad New York. But yeah, I just came out the shower and I washed my hair. So I'm just gonna separate my hair into 4 sections and then blow dry it and prep my hair for this wig. African Pride leave-in conditioner. I always need a leave-in conditioner because it serves as my heat protectant. After I put in this moisturizer, I'm also going to put in my BioSilk just to make my hair straighter. Let's get it popping.
Wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley. Give me another hour or 2, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better. Know you better. You call me looking for it. I'll be looking for it. Got me looking for it. The weekend
Show me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you died. Now you come into my life on the car, and you see me on the end. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Girl, babe, when you put it on for the reason why. Help me let the sun from the clouds.
I have blow dried my hair, and now what I'm gonna do is use my Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm gonna oil my scalp, and then I'm going to do maybe like 4 braids because I really don't feel like braiding OD. Like, it's too much work, so I'm just about to oil my scalp and braid. So I'm back, and I don't know why if you take people like 40 minutes to do a frontal. Once you know the little ins and outs, the little tips and tricks, you could do this shit in 20 minutes. So what cuts down a lot of time is getting a stocking cap that matches your skin color, so you don't gotta add no makeup, no none of that. That takes out a lot of time. I'm using the deluxe wig cap. I don't know what color this is. I guess brown. This company sells wig caps in 3 different colors. So they even have a wig cap for dark skinned girls, which is something that I like. Honestly, all you need is your wig cap and your favorite wig glue. That's really all you need. And an applicator, that could be a toothbrush, whatever you got to put on the glue. I can't talk today, but yeah, I always use the back of this toothbrush. I use this toothbrush for my edges, and the back is just perfect for frontals. And then I put my glue on here and put it on. Now, how I do my wigs, I reverted back to the old way of using the Got To Be Glue free spray. This is the quickest way you can put on your frontal.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you call me to my yard, uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm annoyed. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you.
Me personally, I don't like to spray this spray on my hair because it's going to freeze my edges and cause them not to grow. So I focus on spraying my forehead. I glue my wigs on my forehead. It's a personal preference. I do not put that glue shit on my edges. Not at all, because I don't want them shits to fall out. So I spray and I move it out. I smooth it out with my finger. And you don't even need a blow dryer for my method. Okay, and now that you're done with this, you're gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes and play some Uno. Do something so the glue could dry.
The game, from full stops to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising. $500,000 on the coupe, drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. Pink Molly, I can barely.
So now what I'm gonna do is put my wig on for placement, so I know where to put the glue.
Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, top problem, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, Percocet, Molly Percocet, Percocet, Molly Percocet, represent, gotta represent, gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask on.
So now I'm gonna do 3 layers of glue, let it dry, and then put the wig on. A thin, even layer. That's what I do, a thin, even layer. So it could last for 2 weeks. My wigs last for 2 weeks. Straight up.
I already paid the poke, niggas is scared to go.
Now that I got this bad boy on here and I look like a hot mess, I'm going to take my lucky do-rag and I'm going to lay it down. But I use cotton Haitian flag. Anything cotton is going to work to tie down your frontal. And I leave that down for about 10 minutes. And I tie it very tight. And this is how my hair came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned a lot. See you guys next week. Bye.